center. Now we will go to next concept in the topic circle. That is the ninth concept. This is a circle. A and B are the ends of a diameter. AB is a diameter. A and B are the ends of a diameter of a circle. Here C is the center of the circle. But here C is the midpoint of A and B. C is the midpoint of A and B. What are the coordinates of C? Midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2. Center C equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the center of the circle. And the equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle having A and B are the ends of a diameter. Okay, na? Write down next point. Diagram gidama. If ax1 comma y1 and bx2 comma y2 are the ends of a diameter, or the ends of the diameter, then center C equal to midpoint formula andi. x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. And then the equation of the circle. The equation of the circle. And the equation of the circle is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle having AB as a diameter. Write down. Taking one example. Example 1. If one comma 2 and 3 comma 4 are the ends of the diameter, or the ends of the diameter, then find the equation of the circle. Then find the equation of circle. Okay. These are the ends of the diameter. Let it be A and B. And then we will use the equation of the circle is x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 equal to 0. Okay, na? Write down. Solution. Let a equal to 1 comma 2. This is the first point. Let it be x1 comma y1. And the second point is b 3 comma 4. Let it be x2 comma y2. Okay. Now the equation of the circle is formula ఏంటండి? Equation of the circle is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 equal to 0. Now substitute the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then x minus x1 is 1, x minus x2 is 3 plus y minus y1, here y1 is 2, y minus y2 is 4 equal to 0. Now multiply these two factors. X minus 1 into x minus 3, x into x, x square, x into minus 3, minus 3x, minus 1 into x minus x, minus 1 into minus 3, minus minus plus 3, plus y into y square, y into minus 4, minus 4y, minus 2 into y, minus 2y, minus 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus minus plus 2 into 4, 8 equal to 0. Now take in order, x square plus y square next minus 3x minus x minus 4x, next minus 4y minus 2y minus 6y. Now constant is here plus 3 plus 8 plus 11 equal to 0. Okay, now this is the equation of the required circle. Okay, write down. Next another example, example 2. Minus 4 comma 3 and 3 comma minus 4. This is the next example. If minus 4 comma 3, 3 comma minus 4 are the ends of the diameter, then find the equation of the circle. Okay na? Same. ఇదే మోడల్లో చేయాలండి. Let the coordinates are changed. Let a equal to minus 4 comma 3. Let it be x1 comma y1 and b equal to 3 comma minus 4. Let it be x2 comma y2. Then the equation of the circle is same ఇదే formula. Same formula యూజ్ చేయాలి. సేమ్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసి x1 y1 x2 y2 వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి అమ్మా. x minus x1 here x1 is minus 4, x minus of minus 4 plus 4, x minus x2 here x2 is 3 minus 3 plus y minus y1 here y1 is 3 y minus 3 y minus y2 is minus 4 minus of minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. Okay na? Multiply these two factors. X square minus 3x plus 4x minus 12 plus y square plus 4y minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Write in order. X square plus y square, here x terms, here minus 3x plus 4x, then plus x, here plus 4y minus 3y, then plus y. Here constants are minus 12, minus 12, minus 24 equal to 0. This is the equation of the required circle. Okay, na? Write down. Next concept, next we will go to next concept. Parametric equations of a circle. 10th concept, parametric. Parametric equations of a circle. Okay, now parametric equations of the circle. If h comma k is the center and r is the radius, see this. This is the center. See h comma k. CP, this is the radius. R is the radius. H comma k is the center. R is the radius of the circle. Then the parametric equations of the circle are x minus h whole square, x minus h, or x equal to h plus r cos theta, y equal to k plus r sin theta, where 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. The value of theta lies between 0 to 2 pi. These are the parametric equations of the circle. First one is x equal to h plus r cos theta. Second one is y equal to k plus r sin theta, where h comma k is the center, r is the radius. Okay, na? Ade these equations ni etla chudandi. The first equation can be written as h left side vaste x minus h equal to r cos theta. This is the equation number 1. Y minus k equal to r sin theta. This is the equation number 2. Okay, now 1 square plus 2 square, squaring and added. Now then we have x minus h whole square, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Okay, now taking r in common, r square equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. Then we have r square into 1. This is equal to r square. Okay, no? So the equation of the circle having the center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, no? Write down next the parametric equations. If C h comma k is the center and r is the radius, r is the radius of the circle, then these are x equal to h plus r cos theta and y equal to k plus r sin theta, where 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi are called parametric equations. Of the circle. Parametric equations of the circle. Okay, now these are the parametric equations where h comma k is the center and r is the radius. Okay, write down. Now taking one example. Suppose center is origin. That means h comma k is 0 comma 0. Then the parametric equations are x equal to 0 plus r cos theta, that is r cos theta, y equal to 0 plus r sin theta, that is r sin theta. Then the parametric equations are x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Okay, now next, taking one example. First one, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. This is the equation of the circle. Now we will find the parametric equations of the circles. Okay, now we will find the parametric equations. What are the parametric equations? X equal to h plus r cos theta and y equal to k plus r sin theta, where h comma k is the center, r is the radius. First we will find the center and the radius of the given circle. Okay, write down. Now our problem is find the parametric equations of the circle. Okay, now write down. Comparing the given equation with, this is the equation 1, the given equation. What is the standard form of the given, what is the standard form of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of the circle. Comparing the given equation with the standard form of the circle, then we will get the value of g, f and c. Okay, now comparing 1 and 2. Comparing the equations 1 and 2. Okay, now here x square coefficient is 1, here also 1, y square coefficient 1, here x coefficient is 2g, here x coefficient is minus 4. That means 2g equal to minus 4. That implies g equal to minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. Next, y coefficient is 2f. 2f equal to, here y coefficient is minus 6. Here f equal to minus 6 by 2, minus 3. Here c constant value, c equal to minus 12. C equal to minus 12. Now we will find the center and radius. What is the center? Center C equal to, formula ఏంటంటే center C కి minus g comma minus f. That equal to minus of minus 2 plus 2 minus of minus 3 plus 3. Let it be h comma k. Okay. Next, radius. Radius r equal to formula ఏంటండి root of g square plus f square minus c. Root of g square minus 2 whole square 4 minus 3 whole square 9 minus of minus c. Here minus of minus 12 plus 12. That is root 25. That is 5. Okay, na? This is the center, this is the radius. Now, the parametric equations of the circle are the parametric equations. Equations are x equal to h plus r cos theta. Now substitute the value of h and r. What is the value of h? Here value of h is 2. 2 plus r 5 cos theta. Next y equal to k plus r sin theta. What is the value of k? Here 3. 3 plus 5 sin theta. Where this is the range of theta. Here where 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. Okay, now these are the parametric equations of the given circle. Okay, write down. Now taking another example. Example 2. X square plus y square equal to 2. X square plus y square equal to 2. It is of the form x square plus y square equal to r square when center is origin and radius is r. Okay, now? Here this is the given equation, first one. It is of the form x square plus y square equal to r square. Equation number 2. This is the equation of the circle having the center 0, 0 and a radius r. Okay, now from this we can say that the center of the circle 1, given circle, center c equal to 0, 0, let it be h, k, and radius r equal to, here r square equal to 2, r equal to root 2. Okay, now r square, x square plus y square equal to r square. Here r square is 2, r square is 2, then we will get r equal to root 2. Now the parametric equations. The parametric equations are x equal to h plus r cos theta, that equal to h value 0 plus r value root 2 cos theta. 0 plus root 2 cos theta, that is root 2 cos theta. Next y equal to k plus r sin theta, that equal to 0 plus root 2 sin theta, that equal to root 2 sin theta, where 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. Okay, no? Next another example. Example 3. Example 3. 2x square plus 2y square equal to 7. 2x square plus 2y square equal to 7. ఓకేనా? మరి ఇక్కడ జనరల్ ఫామ్ లో x స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఏముండాలండి? 1 ఉండాలి. 1 ఉండాలంటే ఇక్కడ 2 ఉన్నది కాబట్టి డివైడింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ బై 2. డివైడింగ్ on both sides by 2, then we will get 2x square by 2, that is x square, 2y square by 2, that is y square, equal to 7 by 2. This is the equation 1. Now the equation of the circle with the center at origin and radius r is x square plus y square equal to r square. That is the equation number 2. Okay, now here center 0, 0, radius r. So center is 0, 0. C equal to 0, 0. That is h, k. And radius r equal to, here r square equal to 7 by 2. R equal to root of 7 by 2. Okay, now write the parametric equations. The parametric equations are x equal to h plus r cos theta. Here h is 0. 0 plus r. What is the value of r? Root of 7 by 2 cos theta, that equal to root of 7 by 2 cos theta. Y equal to k plus r sin theta. Here k is 0. 0 plus root of 7 by 2 sin theta, that equal to root of 7 by 2 sin theta. And where theta, what is the interval of theta? Where 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. Okay, these are the parametric equations. These two are the parametric equations of the given circle. Okay, okay, write down. All the best.